Welcome. If you're looking to stop those constant notification sounds every time someone sends a message in the same Discord channel, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable same-channel notification sounds on the Discord app for PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on the gear icon to open up your settings menu. Once you're in user settings, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the options related to alerts and sounds. Inside the Notifications menu, scroll down until you see the Sounds section. Here, Discord gives you control over which notification sounds you want to hear and which ones you'd rather silence. Look for the option that says Enable Same-Channel Message Notifications. This setting is responsible for playing a sound every time someone sends a message in a channel you're already active in. To disable these sounds, simply turn off or uncheck the toggle next to Enable Same-Channel Message Notifications. Once you do this, you'll no longer hear a notification sound for every new message in the same channel, making your Discord experience a lot quieter and less distracting. That's it. You've now successfully disabled same-channel notification sounds on Discord. You can always come back to this setting and turn it back on if you ever want those alerts again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want a more peaceful Discord experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter chats.